Is Malacanang aware po doon sa massive dredging operation sa Cagayan River, which has caused decline in fish catch in the province na po? And Pamalacaya is actually blaming former President Duterte for his policy to back China-led dredging operations during his time. Ano po yung stand po ng Palace and kung may action po ba ang government to address this?
Okay, base po sa DENR Regional Executive Director sa Cagayan Region, itong dredging po na to ay napahinto na po. Okay, at ang sinasabi din po dito ay hindi naman na po, wala na pong operation sa ngayon. At according to the statement, and I quote, the private sector that engaged had been stopped operation or had stopped operations in 2023 pa po. Okay? Allegedly due to poor market condition of the dredged materials. So, yun po. Matagal na po itong ipinahinto. At matagal na lang pong hindi to, wala pong activity sa nasabing lugar about dredging po.